Wow, that's a deep river. Whoa! Okay. That's very deep. I don't want to go in it. Whoa, that's what? And sadly, there used to be a bridge. If you look closely, you can see a little piece of brick, and it's the water thing. So that. And it used to be a totally awesome bridge, but now all it is it just makes the river so more. It used to be a pathway, and the bridge is right there. Yes, that's, I don't know, I can't remember the name of this park. I think it was Licton Park or something like that. Something like that. Here comes Boom Boom. Whole area covered in water. Even the street. My boots are sinking in like half an inch of all this grass. It's like the water's even water on the sidewalk. Wow, that's scary. Look at that, and then it just crosses over. Whew! Oh, here comes this awesome car! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Woo! The person was happy, apparently. I would be too. That was awesome. Whoa, that's deep. That is deep. Okay, I'm getting out of this. Oh my gosh, what the? Wow. Not happy people. Well, probably. Look at that. That's water. I mean, really. I'm just like, this is scary. Okay. I think I'm gonna cross the street right now. Then, yeah. Oh! Wow. That wasn't that fun. It's okay. It's just freezing cold. Oh, that's not good. Poor high heels and cool jeans. That wasn't just the easy way. Yeah. Not pretty. Oh yeah, I'm lost. Hold on a second. Okay. It goes from here, it goes from the creek over there, all the way down this road. All the way down to there. Can you believe that? Come on, let's take a walk. Then it kind of builds up after. Not pretty. It's just crazy. It was crazy, people. I mean, I'm kind of scared because hopefully go over. This is just one block away from me. This is the block house, so I'm scared. Look at the truck. It's very slow. Either perfectly slow or the water is really slow. Probably both. difference of over there compared to this. It's much more calm because it's very deep. That's where it all builds on. Another car. Ooh, this time a charge? No, Toyota something or other. That's not fun. So like you said, it's a totally awesome car. I'm not happy. Whoa, that's scary. Just look. Watch the waves. Ugh. He's gonna jump in or something. Wait. Wow, look at all that. That's not good, is it? There's probably a sinking thing right there. That's why that's weird. But wow, look at that. That's like that's just deep, okay? Wow, watch this. Yep, that's just deep. Goes all the way from there